So VIPs, I'm Tim Kordula. I'm your new Safety and Training Development Director. I come here with 30 plus years of experience. I've been in every aspect of this industry, from driving to dispatch to supervising, safety, a little bit of HR, recruiting, kind of done the whole circle. My passion, safety and training. So hence the term Safety and Training Development Director. Why do I like safety? Because my family's out on the road just like yours, okay? And these trucks are going down the road at 60, 70, well, that's about all I'm gonna say is 60, 70 miles an hour, pulling 80,000 pounds. I have seen drivers out there, I have seen people in four-wheelers out there that have a total disregard for safety. Cell phone in the hand, making a sandwich, reading a book while they're going down the road, just doing anything they want other than what they're supposed to be, and that's driving. So my goal here at Veriha is to make us the safest carrier out there. We can do that too with your help. It's so vitally important. It should be with everybody that works for this company, and I believe it is. That's what brought me here, is the culture. We can improve on it as always, but safety, number one. I work with Brian and Matt in the safety department, along with Emma and some of the support team. And I also work with Mike and Hank down at the CDL Training Academy. One of the commitments I made when I started here was to make Veriha Driving Academy the best in the northeast part of Wisconsin. We can do that. That's my goal. And my goal is to keep our ISS score down below a 30, which means you guys will probably rarely get pulled in. My phone is always on, no matter what. My information is out there. I'm gonna be sending messages out. You guys are gonna get this message too. Call, ask for me. I'd love to hear from you. The one thing that I'm gonna tell you guys is, on occasion, we ask you to come in and sit down and talk with us. Don't get all bent out of shape, okay? Safety's not the enemy. We're here to coach, and that's what we're gonna make sure we move forward with, is a lot of coaching and mentoring. So if you're called to come in and talk to safety, and I'll probably usually be sitting in on that, don't get all bent out of shape and worried about it, okay? There should never be any surprises when we call you in. The number one thing someone should know about me is I'm here to work with you. I'm here to help you succeed with Veriha in your career. That's my goal. I want somebody eventually out there to be able to take my position. So when I work with folks, I work with them as I'm working with you as my future replacement. Hey, I'm getting older. Okay, sooner or later I'm gonna have to retire. I'm gonna want to retire. Or somebody I'm married to is gonna have me retire. Why did I join Veriha? It's the culture. It's simply the culture. When I've known Karen and the team for a bit now, and my passion is training, my passion is education. And I see that here at Veriha. I see that with Karen. I see that with the team. When I go into any conference room that we have, and that's pretty cool here, we got a whole bunch of conference rooms. I see books, I see leadership books, I see safety, I see personal development. And that means so much to me. And that is one of the reasons, and growing the academy into the best. When Karen and I talked, that was one of our goals. Let's make this the best we can make it. Let's make it the best in the Northeast. And every day I come here, it's a big smile on my face, and I can't wait to start the next day. I love driving because I get to see the country. I've seen more of this country than I ever dreamed I would see doing it when I was driving. I've got 15 and a half years of driving under my belt, and I've hit almost all 48. I've got 46 out of the 48. And I'm probably gonna go see those other two while I'm on vacation. But to see how this country works, to see the different areas, I've seen the Statue of Liberty, I've seen the Grand Canyon, I've seen California, I've seen Florida, and everything in between. And that's why I like driving. Personal development, oh wow, any kind of leadership books. I'm a nerd when it comes to leadership books. I'm a CVTA, which we just became members of. They have a great series for safety directors and for our instructors, which we're gonna get them all involved in. And a lot of that is teaching the behavioral part of it. Understanding, as an instructor, we need to understand that not every single person is gonna learn the same way. Learning is something that is unique to every individual, and we need to know how to do that. And a lot of this leadership that I read, these leadership books, seminars, conferences, the instructional materials that CVTA has out there, all benefit everybody when it comes to that. So I'm a big bicyclist. I ride in the winter, I ride in the summer, I ride in the spring, I ride all over the place. I ride everywhere you can think of. And for me, in fact, when I drove, I took my bike with me. It relieves stress. For me, it relieves stress. It keeps me in shape. We all know that truck driving is sedentary. Office jobs can get sedentary once in a while if we're not active. So I get on the bike, I relieve stress, I keep myself healthy. I get to see the world in a different view when you're on your bike. I got my dog Scooter. He's my best friend. He is the best little guy that I've ever, he understands the English language. So if you're a dog lover, here at Veriha, we have a pet policy. Take your dog with you. I think companionship, especially if you're alone with a dog, is great, or cat. I'm not really a cat person, but Scooter, my little guy, he's my best friend. I am definitely a dog dad. I'm into the behavioral part because I think there's so many, number one, there's so many schools and companies out there that just treat you as a number. I look outside right now and I see truck 1211. And unfortunately, with so many companies, that's what you are, is you're 1211. That doesn't really resonate with me. I want to know you as Bob, Joe, Allison, Debbie, whoever, whatever your first name is. So if you see that from me, hopefully I'm going to see that back from you. The behavioral part of driving, as far as understanding the impact that you have and what you're doing out there, is so vitally important. Knowing who to communicate with. And you're going to hear that from me throughout my career, is communicate, communicate, communicate. If we don't know how you're feeling or what you're doing, we can't help you. So knowing that if there is something out there making you angry, we want to know why. One of the things that I teach, or I should say 5 of the things that I teach when I do teach, are the 5 whys. And that helps me develop the root cause of what's going on. I want to know why. I want to know what's going on. You want to know why. That's the behavioral part of it that we really emphasize here. So looking forward to meeting every single one of you sooner or later. Thanks.